Hello everyone, I am Dr. Saida Aisha. Organometallic compounds is the unit which is prescribed under the inorganic chemistry part of the BSc syllabus. In this session, I would like to discuss the preparation, structure, bonding and the properties of mononuclear carbonyls of the 3D metals. Let us consider the first mononuclear carbonyl in this session, which is nickel tetracarbonyl. The nickel tetracarbonyl is prepared by passing CO, that is carbon monoxide, over finely divided nickel at 60 degrees centigrade. When we come on to the structure of nickel tetracarbonyl, we can say that the molecular formula of nickel tetracarbonyl is NiCO4. The X-ray diffraction studies shows that this compound has a tetrahedral shape with Ni-C-O as the linear unit. When we consider the hybridization, we can say that this molecule, that is nickel tetracarbonyl, undergoes sp3 hybridization. The 4 sp3 hybrid orbitals lie around the nickel atom in a tetrahedral shape, and the 4 CO molecules give 4 pair of electrons to the nickel atom. The nickel carbon bond length is found to be 1.5 Armstrong unit and the CO bond length is found to be 1.15 Armstrong. From the hybridization, we can say that there are no unpaired electrons. Therefore, nickel tetracarbonyl is found to be diamagnetic in nature. Let us see some of the properties of nickel tetracarbonyl. Nickel tetracarbonyl is a colorless liquid with a boiling point and a freezing point equal to -25 degrees centigrade. It is soluble in benzene and insoluble in water. It is also highly poisonous. Coming on to the chemical properties, let us see how nickel tetracarbonyl reacts with sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid and halogens. When we consider the reaction with sulfuric acid, we can say that nickel tetracarbonyl liberates hydrogen gas from sulfuric acid. When nickel tetracarbonyl reacts with HCl, we can say that nickel tetracarbonyl gives rise to NiCl2 and CO is set free during the reaction. The last chemical property which we have considered with nickel tetracarbonyl is the reaction with halogens. We can say that nickel tetracarbonyl reacts with halogens to give nickel halides. NiCO4 plus Br2 gives NiBr2 plus 4CO. NiBr2 is the nickel halide which is obtained by the reaction with halogen, which is bromine. The second mononuclear carbonyl in this session is iron pentacarbonyl. Iron pentacarbonyl is prepared by passing CO over the iron metal at 200 degrees centigrade and 100 atmospheric pressure. When we consider the structure and bonding in iron pentacarbonyl, we can say that the molecular formula of iron pentacarbonyl is FeCO5. Raman spectra, IR spectra of iron pentacarbonyl shows that it is having a trigonal bipyramidal shape. Here we can see that iron pentacarbonyl undergoes dsp3 hybridization and the 5 dsp3 hybrid orbitals lie around the iron atom in a trigonal bipyramidal fashion, and the 5 CO molecules give 5 electron pairs to the iron atom. The axial iron-carbon bond length is equal to 1.797 Armstrong and the equatorial iron-carbon bond length is equal to 1.842 Armstrong. From the hybridization, we can see that there are no unpaired electrons. Therefore, iron pentacarbonyl is diamagnetic in nature. Let us come on to the properties of iron pentacarbonyl. Iron pentacarbonyl is a yellow liquid soluble in benzene and insoluble in water. The chemical properties of iron pentacarbonyl include the action of air. When iron pentacarbonyl is burnt in air, we can say that iron oxide, that is Fe2O3, is formed. The second chemical property discussed here is the decomposition reaction. When iron pentacarbonyl is heated at 250 degrees centigrade, it gets decomposed to give pure iron. The next chemical property is the hydrolysis. Iron pentacarbonyl undergoes hydrolysis when treated with acids. Iron pentacarbonyl, when reacts with sulfuric acid, gives FeSO4 plus 5CO plus liberation of hydrogen gas. The next mononuclear carbonyl discussed in this session is chromium hexacarbonyl, CrCO6. Chromium hexacarbonyl is prepared by passing CO over chromium chloride in the presence of a reducing agent like lithium aluminium hydride at a temperature of 175 degrees centigrade and 70 atmospheric pressure. When we come on to the structure and bonding of chromium hexacarbonyl, we can say that the molecular formula of chromium hexacarbonyl is CrCO6. The electron diffraction studies shows that the molecule is having octahedral shape. It undergoes D2sp3 hybridization and the 6 D2sp3 hybrid orbitals lie around the chromium atom in an octahedral arrangement, and the 6 CO molecules donate 6 electron pairs to the chromium atom. Also, we can see that the chromium carbon bond length is equal to 1.92 Armstrong and the CO bond length is equal to 1.16 Armstrong. Chromium hexacarbonyl undergoes D2sp3 hybridization, and we can see that there are no unpaired electrons. Therefore, chromium hexacarbonyl is diamagnetic in nature. Let us see some of the properties of chromium hexacarbonyl. Chromium hexacarbonyl is a white solid which is soluble in benzene and insoluble in water. The chemical properties of chromium hexacarbonyl include the action of sodium metal in liquid ammonia. When chromium hexacarbonyl is treated with sodium metal in liquid ammonia, carbonylate anion is formed. When we take up the decomposition reaction, we can say that chromium hexacarbonyl decomposes to chromium fluoride by fluorine at a temperature of minus 75 degrees centigrade. Coming on to the substitution reaction of chromium hexacarbonyl, we can say that during the substitution reaction, some of the 6 CO groups present in chromium hexacarbonyl are replaced by pyridine to give a series of products. These are some of the references which were used to prepare this session on the preparation, structure, bonding and properties of mononuclear carbonyls of the 3D metals. I thank you all for hearing this session on the organometallic compounds. Thank you.